For the hard surfaces in your home, you need a one-step cleaning device that delivers a better clean. The BISSELL CrossWave lets you vacuum and wash your floors at the same time, delivering a deeper, everyday clean in less time. CrossWave washes your floors using a revolutionary cleaning solution, leaving your floors smelling fresh and looking clean. CrossWave's dual-action multi-surface brush roll uses microfiber to mop floors, while nylon bristles scrub and pick up debris. The Smart Clean fingertip controls lets you dispense just the right amount of formula for whichever floor you're cleaning. The two-tank technology lets you consistently clean with fresh solution while recovering dirty water and debris from your floors. Once finished, just pour out the dirty tank contents for quick cleanup. A convenient way to clean the product is using the Easy Clean storage tray, which allows you to clean the brush roll, window, and air path in a few simple steps. And for easy maintenance, the CrossWave includes an easy remove brush window and a removable brush roll for convenient cleaning. Ditch the mop and bucket. Vacuum and wash your hard floors at the same time with CrossWave from BISSELL.